Most people think Walmart Plus is always something you have to pay for every month, no exceptions. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming there is only one way to access it. Because in 2026, there are actually a few legitimate ways to get Walmart Plus for free, at least for a limited time. Here's the truth no one tells you. You usually cannot get it permanently free, but you can use it without paying up front if you know where to look and how the trials work. In this video, you will learn exactly how to get Walmart Plus for free in 2026, which methods are real, how long they last, and how to avoid getting charged accidentally. Let's start with the most common method, the free trial. The service comes from the company Walmart, and they regularly offer promotional trials for new users. These trials usually last around 30 days, sometimes longer during big sales events. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people sign up for the trial and forget to cancel before it ends. That is where unexpected charges happen. So the key is not just getting the free trial but managing it correctly. To start, open the Walmart app or website and create a new account if you do not already have one. Go to the Walmart Plus section and check if a free trial offer is available. If you see it, you can activate it with a payment method like a debit or credit card. You will not be charged immediately, but the card is required for verification. But here's the problem. Many users think they must wait until the last day to cancel. That is risky. A better approach is to cancel immediately after activating the trial. You still keep full access until the trial ends, but you eliminate the risk of forgetting. Now let's talk about another method. Sometimes Walmart partners with promotions like student discounts, delivery promotions, or special seasonal deals. These can include extended free access or heavily discounted membership for a limited period. For example, during major shopping events, users like Alex or Sarah might see offers such as 30 to 90 days free when signing up for the first time or during holiday campaigns. These are not always available, but they appear more often than people realize. Now, here's where things get even more useful. Some credit card companies or mobile carriers occasionally bundle Walmart Plus trials as a perk. So if you already have certain financial or telecom services, it is worth checking their rewards section before paying directly. Another important detail is eligibility. If you have already used a free trial in the past, you may not qualify again under the same account. However, new accounts with different email addresses might still see offers, depending on promotion rules. But be careful here. Creating multiple accounts just to repeat free trials can violate terms of service. So the safest approach is to use official promotions only. Let's also clear up a common misunderstanding. Walmart Plus is not a coupon service. It is a subscription program from Walmart that includes benefits like free delivery, fuel savings, and scan-and-go checkout. The free trial gives you full access to test these features, not limited access. So how do you maximize the free period? Use it strategically. Order groceries, test delivery speed, try fuel discounts, and check in-store scanning if available in your area. That way you know exactly whether it is worth paying for later. So here is the simple summary. You can get Walmart Plus free through official trials, seasonal promotions, or bundled offers. But the key is not just getting access. It is managing cancellation and testing value before the trial ends. The main takeaway is this. The free version is real, but temporary. The real benefit comes from using that time wisely to decide if it fits your shopping habits. If this guide helped you, like the video, comment if you have ever used a Walmart Plus trial, and subscribe for more clear, practical guides that help you save money and avoid unnecessary subscriptions.